Face reading, also known as physiognomy, is an ancient practice that has been passed down through generations in various cultures around the world. It is based on the belief that the face is a reflection of one's inner self, with each facial feature holding significance in revealing personality traits, emotions, and characteristics. The forehead, often considered the window to one's intellectual abilities, intuition, and creativity, plays a crucial role in face reading. A broad forehead is believed to indicate intelligence and creativity, while a narrow forehead may suggest limited intellectual abilities. Moving on to the eyes, they are considered the windows to the soul, reflecting emotions, intuition, and inner wisdom. The shape, size, and color of the eyes can provide valuable insights into a person's emotional state, empathy, and intuition. The nose, connected to the sense of smell, is said to indicate a person's sensitivity to emotions and instincts. A straight nose may signify emotional stability, while a curved nose may suggest emotional turbulence. Eyebrows, associated with emotions and instincts, can also reveal important information about a person's personality. Thick eyebrows may indicate strength and determination, while thin eyebrows may suggest sensitivity and emotional fragility. Cheekbones, linked to emotional stability and resilience, play a significant role in face reading. High cheekbones may indicate emotional strength and stability, while low cheekbones may suggest emotional fragility. The chin, associated with confidence, determination, and willpower, can reveal important personality traits. A strong jawline may indicate confidence and determination, while a weak chin may suggest a lack of confidence. Lips, connected to communication skills and emotional expression, can also provide valuable insights into a person's personality. Full lips may indicate good communication skills, while thin lips may suggest difficulty expressing oneself. By analyzing these facial features, face readers can gain a deeper understanding of a person's personality and character. Shape analysis is a key technique in face reading, with the overall shape of the face revealing information about a person's personality type. For example, a round face may indicate a more outgoing personality, while an angular face may suggest a more analytical mind. Proportions of facial features can also provide valuable insights into a person's personality. For instance, a larger forehead compared to the rest of the face may indicate greater intellectual abilities. Facial cues such as wrinkles, scars, and markings can also reveal important information about a person's life experiences and personality traits. Worry lines between the eyebrows may indicate anxiety or stress, while deep smile lines may suggest happiness and joy. Puffy eyes may indicate exhaustion or sleep deprivation, while high cheekbones may suggest confidence and emotional stability. Despite its ancient roots and widespread practice, face reading has its limitations. It is a subjective practice that can be influenced by personal biases and cultural backgrounds. Additionally, face reading is not an exact science and can only provide general insights into a person's personality and character. Contextual factors such as age, health, and lifestyle can also influence facial features, impacting the accuracy of face reading. In conclusion, face reading is a valuable tool for gaining insights into a person's personality, character, and destiny. While it may have its limitations, face reading can help individuals better understand themselves and others, fostering deeper connections and relationships. By analyzing facial features and understanding the basics of face reading, individuals can gain a deeper appreciation for the complexity and depth of human nature.